Hello guys, and welcome to Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove these camshafts. It is a little bit challenging. The tensioner has been released, yet it's actually very hard to pull it out. So let me show you what I did to pull them out. It might help. Removing it right here probably will be beneficial. I probably caught myself on this. Now I could see these things are very sharp. The ends of these, they're razor sharp. These here, these things are very sharp. Yeah, be careful. Just, that's what I grabbed and I caught myself. I mean, to make it easy, I could just technically pull the bolts from the gear. I could kind of rotate the gear now if I wanted to. Jason, be careful, you don't want to get caught over there, okay? That's what I may have to do. Just come in here with this and just remove that gear. Kevin, can you hold this plastic piece? This gear might actually slip off right now when I do that. So, I'm going to put those bolts there for now. Yeah. Oh wow, they're so sharp. Just hold it in my hand. I feel like they're cutting me. So that's actually going into this one. Right. Oh my goodness. That piece slipped off. It's a bearing. It needs to go here like that. It actually goes upside down like that. So now we want to do the same thing to this one. See this gear? Oh my goodness, I caught myself again. This gear will be easy to slip out. Okay, just be careful. Hold on. Just next we have to just remove this gear. Hold on, just don't pull it. Don't hurry, because I need to see how things are going. Just don't. So that's all. Okay. That's fine.
It's good. We're figuring it out.
Yep. So I need to install this gear back.
Install these gears back?
Yeah, it's gonna have to go here. There's actually only one way to install it. Kevin, can you hand me those bolts? They're in a magnetic tray. And can you put that little tool on the drill instead? That little fine one? Yeah. No. That piece for installing. Just put it on the drill. Look, remove this and stick it on this gun. Just a tip, a little one. Jason, that chain might be sharp. Thanks. I cut myself already a couple times. Okay. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit a like. If you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe. I help Sprinter owners all the time. Guys, if you are looking for Sprinter parts, I have all these parts available in my eBay store. You can actually follow the link in the description below. It's Zimaleta Motors Store. Guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.